Kids Cook friends. Today we're going to do some under the sea adventurous sort of creations. And I have my friend Flipper here today. Hi everybody! Hello Flipper, welcome to Kids Cook Summer Edition, Tales and Tales. Tales and Tales. And you have a tail, don't you? Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a really simple one. For me anyway, I don't know about you, but what you're gonna need is a Clementine. So that's the basic piece that you're gonna need. But I'm gonna show you what we've created. Oh, should it be that way or that way? Okay, so it's a fish underwater scene. So that's our first one. And then our second one, we're gonna make some clams with vanilla wafers and frosting and a cute little candy piece in the center. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Looks like this. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your Clementine to make your fish, you're gonna break it in half. Like so. And place it on your plate. I will show you.
Those are pretty easy to peel, right?
They're really easy to peel. I'm hoping that there'll be some available in the summertime. Sometimes there isn't. So you're gonna place it on your plate sideways, like so. And then you're gonna break up each section to make the fins. So you're gonna have one. I'm gonna show you as I go. Two. And three. And then I will pick it up and show you what it looks like.
Ooh, nice tail feather.
Okay,
Tail
so that's
fin.
that. You're gonna need that. And then you're gonna need some raisins or craisins too. I forgot to mention that to make bubbles going up. And, okay, and then you're gonna need an eye for his face. I keep forgetting things. Okay. And I took a little piece of a carrot and I cut the end off to make the mouth. And I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna take another section, I'm gonna cut it in half to make the top fins and the bottom fins. You are not watching me do this, and I apologize, but you know how to cut something in half.
I just watched you do it.
Did you watch me do it, Flipper? Excellent. See? You just cut it in half. It kind of makes the side fins. So I'll show you what that looks like. Well, you already saw the finished product, so that's the next step. Let's take that off of the tray there. There you go. And then you're gonna put the mouth on. So I did two sections, two little pieces of carrots for the lips. And that's it. Oh, we forgot the eye. And a little eye on the side. And you don't have to really glue that on if you don't want to. And that is it. What did I forget? Oh, the bubbles. Here, let's do it on this one. We'll show you on this one. Try to. 1, 2, 3. See how it kind of, I'm trying to show you, but it's not staying.
That's okay.
I'll take a little frosting and show you maybe.
Good idea.
A little bit of that.
Some glue. Use the frosting.
Edible glue. And looks like this.
Ooh, that looks nice.
The kids will love it. It'll make them think of the ocean. And that's that craft. Oh, not craft. Food craft. I consider it a craft.
Yeah, it is fun.
Okay, the next one we're gonna do is, we're gonna need some vanilla wafers. Doesn't have to be name brand, it could be any kind. This is so easy, you're not gonna believe it. I gotta find 2 whole ones. You're gonna take that first one. You're gonna need some frosting.
Yeah.
I got this shake up frosting. You can get your homemade out if you want. I'm just gonna put it inside, like that. You're gonna work it really high. So when you open up your shell, it'll look like this.
That looks like my seaweed sandwiches I have for lunch.
Seaweed sandwiches, how
Yeah.
delightful. All right, and then we're gonna take one of these little sixlets. I think they're called sixlets. Sixlets. They're like a little pearl in the center of that little clam. So that's that one. I also did some pink ones earlier. You see? It looks like a little clam in the ocean. Would you like to take a bite? It's delicious too. It's a little sweeter than the other project. Also, if you want to have a hamburglar sort of look, you can put the eyes on top. So simple, so easy. The kids are going to love doing that. And that's it for our underwater creations today. I hope that you try that, and let us know if you try the project. What do I keep on calling it? A craft?
It is like a craft. You're making something.
Let us know if you try this beautiful kids cook creation, and put it on our Facebook page. Or you can send it to info@killinglypl.org, and we can put it up on our website or our Facebook page.
Take a look.
Yeah, so come back next week and see what we have in store. Thanks so much for joining us today, and have a great day, everyone. Bye, Flipper. Thank you so much for coming today.
You're welcome, Allison.